Have you heard of ghost broking? It's a growing insurance fraud scheme that's unfortunately common in the UK, Ireland, and Canada. We know fraud spreads, so it's probably coming to an insurance application near you soon. But what exactly is ghost broking, and what impact is it having?
So ghost brokers present themselves as a real insurance broker, offering a great deal for insurance policy that either won't exist or is based on false details. They'll present a young driver as a middle-aged driver, for example. Their adverts and the policies they sell may appear to be legitimate, but they provide no real coverage, leaving the customer vulnerable in the event of an accident or loss. They appeal to those customers who have to pay higher premiums. For example, younger drivers or those with driving convictions.
Ghost broking is becoming more and more common, with consumers often falling victim to their attractive offers, usually on social media.
So ghost brokers can have a significant impact, both on the insurer, but more importantly on the individual. They're really clever and present their adverts on social media where their victims are more likely to see them. And they leave the customer without proper protection, and it drives up costs for insurance that impacts on everyone, and also creates that environment of distrust and skepticism towards insurance.
The consequence for the policyholder can be severe. If a ghost broker's customer has an accident, they will find there either isn't cover in force or that the policy won't respond as the customer's details were misrepresented, leaving them out of pocket for their own damage. Even worse, if the accident was the customer's fault, whilst the insurer is legally obliged to deal with a third-party claim, they may seek to recoup these costs from the customer. The customer doesn't even have to have an accident to suffer. If you are stopped by the police, you may not be able to prove you have insurance. In Canada, the police may impound your vehicle and you can be fined and your license endorsed. In Ireland, driving without insurance also carries a fine and penalty points. And in extreme cases, the law includes the possibility of a prison sentence of up to 6 months. In the UK, there is a motor insurers database, so if your vehicle is not on the database, you are more likely to be stopped. As you will have no insurance, the car will be seized by the police. If you're in the UK, if it's not reclaimed within 14 days, it could be auctioned off or even crushed. You will also get points on your license and be fined. In all of these cases, the fine and points will need to be disclosed, making it harder and more expensive to gain a new legitimate policy.
If you're looking for motor insurance, the best way to protect yourself from ghost broking is to be vigilant. Do your research and always check the credentials of your insurance broker on the regulator's website. The golden rule is though, if a deal seems too good to be true, then it probably is. If you're the insurer or the broker, there's never been more choice of the types of technology that can support you in detecting ghost broking. Insurers used to rely on batch processes and post-sale processes to spot the hidden relationships in their data that point to ghost broking. These network analytics solutions are now available in real time, and they help inform a decision whether to trust an application and incept cover or not. As a general rule, if you're looking at your fraud platform and it's not capable of real-time detection and analytics, then it's a legacy platform. Also, there's never been as much third-party data available to help inform the insurer's decisions. All of this data can be brought together in the fraud platform in real time to help ensure that the insurer makes the ghost broker's job as hard and as expensive as possible. These solutions can help verify the authenticity of the customer and the broker to help reduce the risk of fraud and improve the overall trust and confidence in the insurers the customers are buying and in the industry as a whole.
Ghost broking is a serious issue that affects us all. By being aware of the risks and taking steps to protect ourselves, as well as adopting trust automation solutions, we can help ensure that the insurance industry remains a reliable source of protection for everyone.
If they have an accident or lose their close, I was close, is to be vigilant.